2025. The world watches as Ukraine and Russia continue their brutal war of attrition. But beyond the battlefield lies a deeper question. How do their military powers truly compare? Russia, the world's second-largest military, commands an enormous arsenal. Over 12,000 tanks, more than 4,000 aircraft, a powerful navy with more than 600 vessels, including 51 submarines. With 1.1 million active personnel and the largest nuclear stockpile on Earth, Russia's war machine is backed by a $149 billion defense budget. Ukraine, though smaller in scale, has become a model of resilience and innovation. With 1.25 million troops and a defense budget of $64.7 billion, over a third of its GDP, Kyiv has shifted the paradigm of modern warfare. Its strength lies not in volume, but in strategy. Over 2 million drones produced in the last year. Mobile, precise, and relentless. On June 1st, Ukraine launched Operation Spider's Web. Over 100 drones traveled deep into Russian territory, striking 5 strategic air bases. Dozens of aircraft, including Tu-95 bombers and A-50 radars, were destroyed. It was Ukraine's deepest and most successful incursion to date, inflicting an estimated $7 billion in damage. Russia responded with heavy airstrikes on Ukrainian cities and activated the mysterious Doomsday Radio UVB-76. In Moscow, voices call for even more aggressive retaliation, even nuclear. Tensions are rising. The balance is shifting. As combat rages, diplomats meet. In Istanbul, US-led peace talks offer a sliver of hope. Ukraine proposes a 30-day ceasefire. Putin stalls. The world waits, divided between war and the faint promise of peace. What happens next will reshape the global order. 2 nations, 1 war. A clash of numbers, strategy, and willpower. The future of Europe may depend not on who has more firepower, but who can endure longer.